In this video, I will tell you how to fix the streaming interrupted waiting for full message error in GPT and what you should do when this message suddenly appears on your screen. First of all, do not panic because in many cases, this is only a temporary issue related to ChatGPT servers or connection problems and not something wrong with your computer or account. The first thing you should do is check if OpenAI currently has any issues with their services. You can do this by opening the official OpenAI status page at status.openai.com. If you see outages, degraded performance, or server issues there, then unfortunately you just need to wait until the services return to normal because there is nothing you can really fix on your side. However, if everything looks operational on the status page, there are a few simple things you can try yourself. Start by refreshing the chat page because sometimes the response streams simply get stuck and a quick refresh fixes it instantly. Before refreshing though, if you wrote a very long message, make sure to copy it first just in case it disappears after reloading the page. Another thing you can do is click the stop button next to the message box if the AI response is frozen, then resend your message again. In many situations, this immediately restarts the response correctly. Sometimes the issue can also happen because the servers are overloaded or too many people are using ChatGPT at the same time, especially during peak hours. Overall, this is a pretty common error that appears from time to time, and most of the time it disappears on its own after refreshing the page or waiting a few minutes. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.